I think I have found my new favorite nail polish. I was so glad that Londontown sent me this lacquer to review because I absolutely love it. It is so much better than the nail polish I had been using. This is the Cheerio color, and I love it. It is so natural. It is translucent for a really nice natural look, but it's also super shiny, which makes your nails so pretty and healthy looking, and it helps harden them and keep them strong and keep them from breaking. I really love this. You can see what one coat looks like. It had a clear base coat on, and this is one coat of Cheerio. Now I'm going to put on a second coat so you can see what that looks like. Now again, this has lasted over a week. It has been 8 days now, and it still looks great. Just the fingers I use the most, right, are starting to get a little wear on them. I could not believe they lasted this long. I did not use a top coat, but if I had, I'm sure they would have lasted even longer than this. But I'll still wear them a few more days until I redo them. This is a second coat. You can see it's a little less translucent, but still super pretty and translucent and shiny. This is really great nail polish. I absolutely love it and highly recommend.